How to install themes on Steam. Now take note that it's going to be a lengthy process. You're just going to make sure that you follow each of the steps. The first things first is we'll have to install the theme folder on Steam. To do so, just simply open up available web browser or prefer the web browser on your device and then go into steambrew.app. Now click on install now and you will be redirected to this page. What you're going to be doing here is just to copy this code right here and then just go into your Windows icon and type in PowerShell. Now with PowerShell, right click and make sure to run this as an administrator. Then here, just simply paste the code that you just copied and then hit on enter. And then once you hit on enter, it will automatically run and install by itself. Now, once the installation is completed, just simply close this window right here. And this is going to be the time where you'll have to choose your specific skin or theme. Just go into streambrew.app/themes, and then you'll just have to pick the theme that you want. So for example, we'll choose this one. Just simply click on the one that you've chosen, and we will be downloading this specific theme. Now to download this, just simply click on View Source, and then click on Code, and then download zip file. And once the download is completed, all I have to do is, of course, to extract the folder. And once you've extracted the folder, just simply open up your file manager, go into the specific local disk where you have put or placed your Steam folder. In my case, I have added it on my program files 86. Then go into the Steam folder, and then just simply scroll down again, go into the Steam UI, and then in here just choose on skin, and then just simply paste the folder from there. Now to fully activate the skin, just open up your Steam client. Once you've accessed your Steam client, all you have to do is to go into your Steam settings, and you should be able to have an option that says themes. Just simply change it to the one that you've downloaded it, and it will automatically reset by itself. And that is how you install skin on Steam.